My gosh, bro.
Not gonna lie, I might have messed up a little bit.
Oh my god!
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan and today we have something really exciting going on. We are going to go pick up the M4 finally from paint and it is finally finished. We can get this car fully assembled, get it ready to go, and yeah, let's go ahead and go pick this car up. Alright guys, so we got the truck, we got the trailer, we are good to go, and most importantly, we have the wifey with us. Like always, we're going to go get some coffee. Okay, so yeah, this is our favorite coffee shop over here. Alright guys, so we made it down here. It is really hot.
Oh my gosh, bro.
It is white. There she is. Dang. Oh my gosh, dude. It came out so good. Yeah, so he painted all the way up on the pillar, all of the door. We didn't touch the side skirt. Oh, bro, let me get this guy out. We did not touch the side skirt. But that's all done. He painted the engine bay. Let's lift this guy up real quick. So struts all painted, all good to go. It looks great. All right guys, so the car is on the trailer. Amazing looking. I cannot wait until this car is fully put together. Boys, we are back in Asheville. It is golden hour. We are about to go get some food, grab some grub. Bro's ripping. The M4 is finally back home. We're gonna get this thing unloaded in the garage, put it straight away into here so we can rebuild this car in the morning. Got all of the parts ready to go and get this guy fully assembled. So what we have done is pretty much I have the front radiator support installed. It's honestly a couple of bolts right there and right there. Got the latches on and then I transferred over the plastics. There's a couple of things like these rubber grommets for the parking sensor that need to be ordered. And then I also need a new fender badge for this side, just because this one's a little bit crusty. Guys, what's the damage? 179. Next thing that we're gonna do is finally some mods on the car. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm removing the actual factory intakes because we got something really, really cool. All right, so here we go. I bought myself some titanium front mount intakes for the M4. So these were from SenCal Motorsports. It's not sponsored in any way. I bought these outright. And basically, we're gonna be removing the factory air boxes and where their original location is, and we're gonna be rerouting them under and through for the front grills. All right, so let's get these intakes unboxed and remove the factory intakes. Alright, so as you guys can see, these are fully titanium, super sick. Everything is so pretty, and I really wanted to go for more of an aesthetic route on this car than just some like white or black pipes. I feel like that would be super boring, so I wanted to go with something a little bit more shiny, just like the wheels. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of cleanup on the engine bay. As you guys can see, it's a little bit crusty down here. Alrighty, so we got the headlight out. It was such a pain in the butt. These screws, whenever they're stuck in there, they are stuck. They literally just spin around, strip out, and they are the worst design ever. Alrighty, a couple hours later, we have the intakes finally installed, and here they are. I cannot believe how good this turned out. All of the titanium pie cuts look so good. I'm so sad that a lot of this is gonna be hidden behind the bumper. So another thing I found really, really cool is whenever you close the hood, you can actually still see some of that titanium from the outside of the car. All right guys, so now that the intakes are fully installed, wiped down, everything's good to go, I want to show you guys one more mod that we are going to be doing to the front end of this car. These are kind of tough. Are they healthy?
Heck no.
Oh my god! Oh
Dude,
wow! Oh my
those are
gosh,
sick.
Wow.
Damn, bro.
Oh, this angle looks crazy.
Bro doing side jobs. Plumbing.
200, yeah, cash. Cash in hand.
I'm just recording for evidence.
Hold on, I'm stressing about some parking sensors.
These are the Icon V3s. Coolest part is they also do a really cool color changing function. So I don't know if you can see right there, but I tap this 5 times. And these guys go yellow. So that is going to be the end of this build series. You guys deserve a final look. So here you go.
Очередная пачка, сделай веселей мой день. Мы всегда в ресурсе, со мной подойдет весь гэнг. Спасибо массажным креслам в холле, каждый